The whole market is down, been down for a while now, as we all know, and people are panicking and selling stocks that they know they're supposed to be keeping, but they are selling, losing money, and it's the same people that will come back later on when the market is up and buy high and sell lower. So people get a FOMO, the fear of missing out, and they will buy stocks really high, and when they drop, they will sell. That's what's going on right now. Instead of right now, the best thing you can do for yourself is actually buy, because a lot of stocks are down and it's the best time for buying now, but people are panicking and selling. But you know what? Sometimes you have to be contrarian and not follow the crowd. Go the other way where everybody's running to, because now is the best time to actually buy stocks, not selling, but people are just panicking. Hello, welcome to Finance 101. On today's episode on Road to 10K, as we can see the portfolio, I didn't want to put more money in here, but what I did do was I owned three of Nvidia, and what I did was I sold, as you can see over here, we owned three before. I sold two, and I still have one left. I was up, so I kind of took a little bit profit. To what I did with the money was I leveraged down on Lightspeed over here, because I was down a lot and I want to leverage down and bring my cost average down. So what I did was, I think I had about $100 and something, and when I was done buying, right now my average cost is 80, I think $86. So I might be doing that again, try to bring it down and minimize my loss. So if when it does go up, even when it gets back to $90, I should be in profit, because the first time I bought it was around 100 and I think $50 or $60. So I've been leveraging down on that, and I also bought another stock here. The rest of the money I bought. What the stock I bought? I bought Clfd Asset Management. So I ended up buying Clfd Asset Management over here. I got three shares, and I think I got it for $68 or something. As you can see, I'm down $2 on it, so it's three. So maybe close to 80, $68. What this stock is like one of my biggest gain in my RBC account. I bought this stock when it first came out. When I first got it was $32. That's how much I bought it for. It went all the way up to $90, and because everything is pulling back, it pulled back a little bit. So I thought it makes sense that I get a little bit here. When it get back to the $90, I'll be in profit. So we'll see what will happen. What is going to happen with this one? And I also sold my uranium energy. I sold that. I was up a little bit. I sold that, and all the money I raised is how I was able to leverage down on Lightspeed and buy the Clayfield Asset Management. I also added a little bit more money to. I also added a little bit, I think, couple shares something to DIV, and it's been going up since then. And another thing I did was also leverage down on Face Drive. Face Drive is one of those companies, just crazy. I don't know about this company, but somehow I don't. Sometimes it just go up to like $20 and it'll come all the way back down to some pennies and it just jump back up. So that's very risky, but I'm willing to take the risk. So I think I had about 200 or something before, but when I did my last buying, I ended up with 366, and my average cost now is, I think, $1.71 from when I used to be with $2. So I leveraged down that one too, and it went up to $1 something and came back down, but it's just been moving up and down, up and down. So hopefully that will go back up. What else did I do with the portfolio this week? That's about it. Like Apple still staying around the same price, and they moved Amazon price tag get up a little bit, so that should be going up soon. But since everything is down, I kept keeping it down too. Bristol and Myers has been going up slowly here and there. That's okay. And all the other stocks stay the same. Nothing really. And Ford has been going up too. I need to buy more Ford. I think Ford is going to be around $40 stock. So to buy more Ford. The cruise line started going up, but then I think they found a bunch of cases on the cruise, so they canceled and they made it drop a little bit. But it was starting to go up. And today is a holiday up here. It's a holiday in the States, so the market is closed in the States, and when the Canadian market is open, so it's nothing really going on today. So that's that's about it for this episode. Don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and keep everybody updated what's happening in the portfolio. But don't forget, if you have any stock on your watch list, about this time, I think it's now you pull the trigger now and just close your eyes and take the bullet, bite the bullet. It's just that's how the market has been now. But a lot of stocks are down a lot. So if you find something good you want to own, I can't say it's the bottom yet, but at least you can. If you have your money divided into three, buy one now, and the other two, if it goes a little bit lower, you buy more. Then it go lower again, you spend all the money. That's the only way to get in. You can't be sitting on the sideline waiting for it to go up. Why, if you bought it here now, it's better for you. But yeah, a lot of people are gonna wait until they see the market going up, and then all of a sudden the fear kicks in now, and they're rushing to buy, and it will drop again. Then they'll complain they're losing their money. But it's the best time to really buy right now. So I see you in the next one. Peace.